Hi, welcome to software testing tutorials. Today you are going to learn how to write test cases in a real time. So as per my experience, so today in this video you will learn how actually you have to write the test cases in your work. Okay, so whenever you are working with any application, whether it could be web applications, desktop applications, or any applications coming to software, okay, hardware or non-functional testing, okay, like a load runner, load testing, networking testing, okay, web services testing, REST APIs testing, so like this. So first of all, what you have to understood, first of all you have to understood the requirement clearly, and you should understood the flow. Actually, what is a flow? Where it is starting, where it is ends. The user's flow should be very important. So then only you can write the steps for each and every test case. Okay, so these are my template: test case name, type, status, test scenario. Okay, I have identified some test scenarios for, so I'm presently taking Gmail as a test for testing application under test. Okay, so this is a test condition, means a test case, what you have to test. So what are the prerequisites required, what are the steps you need to follow. Okay, what is the test data required, expected, actual, status, and tested by. Okay, let me tell you what is the test name. So what are the module you are testing or writing, that designing the test cases, those names should be test case underscore tc, means test case underscore gmail underscore sign up. Okay, registration means sign up underscore 001. So what is it will incrementally increase the test cases. Okay, and type is a sanity or manual, anything you can write. Okay, first of all we will use only sanity or manual, means while build is released you have to perform the sanity testing. So sanity test cases should be executed on those builds. Okay, that's why I have written sanity. And next status is design. Why means we are designing the test cases. So test scenario ts underscore 001. Okay, module name is the Gmail registration. So while coming to Gmail scenarios, I have identified 5 scenarios. First one is you have to write the test cases for look and feel, which comes about background color. Okay, and you need to write, you need to check spell mistakes. Okay, next you have to verify the text content. Okay, and logo, company logo, so etc, it will come under this one. Okay, what should, so background colors, spell mistakes, verify text content, logo. Okay, company's logo, anything is required, so everything it will comes under this one. Help. Okay, what are the test cases we need to cover. Next, second scenario is verify Gmail registration with invalid details, valid. Okay, next click on next button, you will see privacy and terms pop up. Next one is a welcome screen. Once successful, it is coming welcome screen. So let's write for first scenario is a look and feel of the Gmail registration screen. This is your registration screen. Okay, for this screen you have to write look and feel. So okay, first test case could be what is a usability and user interface. First test case would be verify Gmail registration, usability and user interface. So what you will write, expected results, Gmail registration screen should be user friendly and able to understand what user should understand, able to understand what user has to perform action. Okay, by design user should understand that user should perform some particular action on this one. Okay sir, this is not run and not applicable. Okay, so user and user interface. Okay, next it will come, which is a verify Gmail registration spell mistakes. So what it will come, Gmail registration page should not have any spell mistakes in the form of text content, comma, field names, comma, drop down means like list boxes, etc. it will come. So these are the test scenario 1. So next is the verify Gmail registration background colors. Gmail registration page design color should be as per prototype. So before designing the designs, some prototypes are designed by the web developers. Those are the developers, they are taking approval from the business or from the business, like design or how you like this design, how you want to change anything. So as per client requirements, stakeholders requirements, and as per finalized requirements should display as per background colors, design should be same. Now main scenario is, this scenario is covered. How many test cases? Test cases 001, 002, 003. These are test cases are covered. Okay, next one is a test scenario. Next one is a test scenario 2. So now coming to test scenario 2, you will see here Gmail registration with invalid details. Okay, so first of all, first test case is verify Gmail registration screen. First of all, we need to identify what are the Gmail registration screen it is displaying. So Gmail registration screen should display below details. What details it should display? First one is, should display Google logo, company logo, and second one is the sign in button. Okay, so next one is, so it should display all Google products. What is the products it is having? All Google products should display. All Google products images. Okay, next one is, next one it should display what it should be, learn more, should display learn more, and it should display next step. Okay, next coming to second step, what it will come, Gmail registration form should display below field names. What it should display, first of all, name which contains first and last. Okay, name which have first comma last. So next, second one, should have choose your username. Next one is a create password. Next one is a confirm your password. Next one is a birthday. Next one should display birthday. So in this birthday should have month, date, year. Okay, like this you can write 5, 6. 6th is a gender. 6th is a gender. 7th one is a mobile phone. 8th one is your current email address. 9th one is location as default. It will come as per GPS location. Okay, for one test cases, how many results will be there? Gmail screen should display below details, company logo, sign in, all Google products, email, and more. Registration form should display like this. Okay, this is under test scenario 2. So when coming to test scenario 2, you need to write test cases for each and every field in order to verify each and every field validations. Okay, why? Because we are checking for valid details. Invalid details we have checking for Gmail registration with invalid details. Okay, first of all, verify. What do you need to verify? Google logo. Okay, what is the prerequisite? Next one is enter. Next one is a email registration page should display Google logo. Top of left corner. Okay, verify sign in button. Sign in button, what it will do? Email registration page should display sign in button. What is the type? Is a button. Okay, now validation for this one. Next, coming to what we will have, form. Directly we are going to form. Okay, verify first name field, email URL, first name field should be type is a text box. So accept only alphabets. Okay, next is a mandatory, right? And validation. What is the validation? What it will display validation? If I click on last, you can't leave this empty. Just copy this one. It should display is empty in case field is empty, right? So it should have any like minimum and maximum characters. Okay, it can accept multiple. Let's write for last name. Okay, here you need to enter first name. Okay, last name field should be same, should not display. You can't leave this as empty. Okay, next field is, what is next field? Choose your username. Verify. Choose your user name. I should write same. Sorry. Then field. Okay, you enter first name, comma, last name. Okay, here test data will come as a first name. Here it will come as first name, last name. Okay, here you need to enter your field should be text box except all characters. It is a mandatory, and validation should display. What it should display? Let me enter. Should display. You can use letters, numbers, and periods. Okay. This is why you can use numbers. You can use numbers, letters, numbers, letters, and periods in case field is empty. Showing empty, right? If you click on next step, it will display as you can't leave this as empty. Can't leave this as empty. Okay, this one should display periods in case field is empty. What it should display when it should play in case keep mouse on text box. Okay, and second validation is and should display in case field is empty. Okay, next one we can write as these are under test scenario 2. Okay, next one you need to write verify. Next one you need to write as 5. Choose a password. Verify. Choose a password. Okay, enter first name, last name, and next one enter. Choose your username. And here it will come as choose your username. Here we are forgetting one thing. Yes, as default it should display as @gmail.com. @gmail.com. Okay, choose a password. Field should be type text box and accept characters. The next mandatory. Okay, next one is display encrypted form, like, okay, validation it will be what it should display password. This one we will write as another Yes, if you click on this one, next step, you can't leave this as empty. Same validation it is displaying. Validation should display in case field is empty. Okay, like this you need to write each and every field. Okay, each and every field, confirm your password, birthday, date, year. Okay, I'm a gender, female, male. So everything you need to write your mobile number. Say mobile number edition, your phone number, help us with like say. So this help tip, this is a tip. A tip should be right here. Okay, after writing this one, let me write with as per scenario, Gmail validation in invalid details. So verify Gmail registration with invalid details. Okay, if you enter choose username, and next one choose a password. Okay, next enter, see here, confirm your password. Next one to run, choose your birthday, select birthday. Okay, keep on, you need to write select gender. Okay, enter this one, enter mobile number. So here test data will come, so it will click on next. You have to just click on next. System Gmail registration page should display validation message as please enter valid details as here. Editors should enter valid details and should flash a message, at each invalid details field, so that user can understood that so these fields are given wrong data. Okay, and so what is the second point? It should not display a prompt, privacy and terms pop-up to agree. These are the second scenario. Okay, in this second scenario it will come as, suppose we are verifying the validation message on not satisfying the user password. Here password, what it is showing in coming to choose a password, showing you use at least 8 characters. So if I am using 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, it is showing as too short. Don't use a password from another site or something too obvious like your pet name. Okay, so like this you need to write too short set password or easy to guess. Try one with at least 8 characters. So there is a validation you need to write. Yes, go to here, next enter choose password. Okay, they have written choose password. Okay, choose your password. Next, fifth one is a choose password. System should flash a message on screen saying that we should use this message. This message should write here. Short passwords are easy to identify. Okay, that should identify. Well, at least 8 characters if you are entering. use a password less than 8 characters. This is less than 8 characters. And second method, it should prompt a message in a pop-up box as password strng strength too short. Okay, this is the first one. Like this, you need to write each and every fields. Okay, verify terms, generalization with valid details. Okay, welcome screen. Okay, so let me write, these are test scenario 2. So you need to identify each and every test scenario. I'm writing with for test scenario 3. So each and every negative scenario is covered. See, each and every invalid details are covered already here from test case 4 to 6 and 4 to 13. Up to 13 you have covered. You can write number of test cases. From here it is covered. Every negative scenario is covered in this second scenario. When coming to positive scenarios, we need to write verify the email registration with valid details. Okay, choose a password. No, wait, here I have written right. Okay, so you can enter here. System should prompt a privacy and terms above with terms and conditions text in order to agree to perform successful email registration. Right, once you can click on agree. Okay, once you click on agree, Gmail should display welcome screen to customer with successful message, and it should display chosen username on screen. Okay, like this you can write. This is a test scenario 3. Okay, so you can write number of test cases for this one. I'm just writing. Okay, you need to track each and every test scenarios with test cases, so that you can know that I have written covered every requirement with the proper test scenarios and test cases. Total I have written 14 test cases. Okay, so like this you need to write each and every test scenarios. See, test scenario 4, test scenario 5, privacy terms and pop-up, everything it will display. Terms and conditions, each and terms and condition you need to identify as per business requirements. Okay, should not be any spelling mistakes and paragraph should not miss, design should be alignment, and text hyperlinks, everything etc. Everything you need to check in this scenario. Privacy and terms and conditions. Okay, so welcome screen, what it will display, welcome, your username, name, and email ID, register new email ID. So I'm click on continue, and page already in, then login. It will display logout, display sign out. Okay, icon. So like this you need to write each and every test scenarios, number of test cases. So, thank you for watching my video. In case do you have any doubts, please raise in the form of comment or suggestion so that I can provide you more test cases. Okay, everything I have I will give you more test cases. So if you have any doubts, please raise in the form of comments. Thank you for watching my video.